What's up, Wildcats? Chef Ryan Clark here from Casino del Sol with another recipe from this week's Sol Bowl Championship Tailgate. This week's recipe, we're doing a Chorizo Verde. This is from Forbes Meat Company. It's really good pork sausage with lots of different green herbs and poblano chilies inside of it. The first thing we're gonna do is we have the Chorizo Verde. So we're gonna open this up. This is a link sausage. We have the green chorizo on the grill cooking. So we're gonna make the vinaigrette. So this is a little kimchi. This is from Heirloom Farmers Market as well. This is from Ann's High Energy Agriculture. It's made with a little bit of Napa cabbage and carrot and a lacto fermentation. So we'll start that in there. This is Kewpie mayo. So you can get this at a Japanese market. You could use regular mayo too, but this is Japanese mayonnaise. It's a little bit sweeter, also has a little bit of rice wine vinegar in it. So pretty simple on the vinaigrette. We add those two things together right into the blender. We've got here some shredded carrot, actually shredded some broccoli too. So it's kind of a broccoli and cabbage slaw. Very simple. We're gonna add our vinaigrette to this, just enough to dress it. We'll season it with some salt and pepper. And the kimchi has a little bit of chili in it, but I like a little bit extra. This is a sriracha. So a little bit of sriracha in here, and we kind of mix this together. And we'll put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes just to marinate. All right, so we have our green chorizo here. We're gonna let that rest a little bit. I threw some scallions on the grill for garnish. Now we can start to build this dish. So I've got some butter leaf lettuce here. This makes really nice lettuce wraps. So I'm just gonna take the core out of it and pick out some really nice big leaves. Just kind of arrange them on the plate. Now we can look at our sausage here. So on the sausage, we just kind of wanna cut this into edible portions, not too big. Perfect for the link. We can add them on. 1 or 2 pieces per lettuce wrap. We have our cabbage slaw with the kimchi vinaigrette. It's gonna go right on top. And lastly, we have a little fresh cilantro here, just to garnish. And I like this furikake, so this is made with seaweed and toasted sesames right over the top. And if you like, a little sriracha on the side. Here we go. This is our recipe of the week from Casino del Sol's Sol Bowl Tailgate Championship. We have some chorizo sausage from Ben Forbes Meat Company and a little kimchi vinaigrette slaw, sriracha on the side, and of course, our Dragoon beer pairing is a Santa Cruz or Golden Ale. Please enjoy.